Hey everyone, today we are proud to feature this vintage Emerson model 77646 AK 12-inch oscillating table fan. Now it was made in the 1930s and it's of the first generation of this model. So let's take a closer look at this one. Here's the grill medallion and it's still in very good original shape considering its age. We'll now take a look at the side of this fan. Now these struts will need to be bent forward so we can get the blades to clear the guard a little bit better at the front. It's got a little flip-top oiler here to make servicing the motor easy. And this head wire is original to the fan. It's Litz cable and it's very highly flexible, even though it's original. Take a look at the back here. This thing has a very large capacitor motor on it. This is of the early generation. You can see the motor ID plate here. According to the little 18 in the lower right hand corner, this fan was made in 1938. We'll now turn the fan back around and give you a little demonstration, and we'll run through the speeds. And of course we'll start off on low. Oscillation. Now a feature we're going to point out here is the oscillation collar, which allows you to move the fan's head to the left or right without having to pick it up. Since this fan is very heavy, it's a rather handy feature. We're going up to medium speed now. Seconds. And we'll bring it up to high speed. We'll shut this fan off. Thank you for watching this video about this old Emerson. We will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.